What if an AI could create Hollywood-quality videos in seconds, without a single human on set? Google's Veo 3 is here, and it's shaking up the creative world. From filmmakers to voice actors, entire industries are bracing for impact. Which jobs are at risk, and what does this mean for the future of work? Buckle up as we dive into the jobs Google Veo 3 could replace, and the new opportunities it might create. Unveiled at Google's I/O 2025 conference, Veo 3 is the tech giant's most advanced AI video generation tool yet. It can create high-quality videos from simple text prompts or images, complete with background music, voiceovers, and lifelike dialogue, all without human input. Imagine typing a sci-fi chase scene in a neon city and getting a polished clip in minutes. According to posts on X, Veo 3 could impact over 100,000 US film and animation jobs by automating tasks like editing and visual effects. But how does it work? Veo 3 uses cutting-edge generative AI to synthesize visuals, audio, and narratives, rivaling professional production quality. For studios, it's a game-changer: faster production, lower costs. For workers, though, it's raising red flags. Let's explore the jobs most at risk. Google Veo 3's capabilities threaten several creative roles. First up, video editors. Editing software once took hours of human skill to cut, splice, and polish footage. Veo 3 automates this, generating edited videos instantly. A 2025 Forbes report estimates AI could impact 300 million jobs globally, with creative roles like editing among the first hit. Next, voice actors. Veo 3's ability to produce realistic dialogue means studios may not need human voices for commercials or animated films. Posts on X highlight concerns from voice actors fearing obsolescence. Then there's stock footage producers. Veo 3 can generate custom visuals on demand, reducing the need for stock video libraries. Animators too face risks. Veo 3 creates animated sequences faster than human teams. A Times of India article notes Hollywood's growing anxiety, citing examples like Tom Hanks's AI de-aged role in Here, where generative AI slashed production costs. Finally, advertising media buyers are vulnerable. Veo 3 integrates with Google's AI ad tools like Performance Max, which automates ad creation and placement, cutting out traditional roles. A 2023 PC Mag report noted Google's ad division, with 30,000 employees, is already shedding jobs due to AI automation. These shifts are real, and they're happening fast. The rise of Veo 3 isn't just about job loss. It's sparking ethical debates. A Reddit thread from May 2025 with over 500 votes warned that Veo 3 could flood the internet with AI-generated content, blurring the line between real and fake. This dead internet theory suggests credible sources like journalists might become vital, but only if we can trust them. Workers in Hollywood are terrified, as FandomWire reports, with fears that AI could ruin creative storytelling by prioritizing efficiency over artistry. Ethically, there's the question of fairness. Who benefits from Veo 3's cost savings? Studios and tech giants like Google stand to gain, but artists and technicians face job insecurity. A 2023 Goldman Sachs study predicted 300 million jobs could be disrupted by AI, with creative and white-collar roles hit hardest. There's also the risk of cultural homogenization. AI-generated content might lack the human nuance that defines great art. Pope Leo XIV, as discussed in a recent Vox article, warns that AI could commodify creativity, echoing his predecessor's call for ethical regulation to protect human dignity. The Church's stance reminds us technology must serve humanity, not replace it. It's not all doom and gloom. While Veo the 3rd of May replaced some jobs, it's also creating new ones. A Jerusalem Post article highlights roles like video engineering, where professionals refine AI-generated content for accuracy and originality. Prompt engineers, who craft precise inputs for tools like Veo 3, are in high demand. AI trainers and auditors ensure AI outputs align with ethical standards. A 2025 Nexford University report emphasizes that AI will create more jobs than it replaces, provided workers upskill. For example, learning to collaborate with AI tools can make creatives more efficient, not obsolete. Hollywood is adapting too. Studios are partnering with AI companies to streamline production, as seen in Here, where AI saved weeks of work. Artists who embrace Veo 3 can focus on high-level creativity, storytelling, direction, while AI handles repetitive tasks. The key? Upskilling in AI literacy and soft skills like critical thinking, as Nexford suggests. Pope Leo XIV's vision of a new Christian humanism applies here. Humans and AI can work together to enhance creativity, not erase it. Google Veo 3 is reshaping the creative world, challenging jobs but also opening new doors. Will it revolutionize storytelling or threaten human artistry? That's up to us to decide. Share your thoughts in the comments. How should we balance AI and creativity? Like and subscribe for more on tech's impact on our future. Let's shape the story together.